Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about retail arbitrage. By now, hopefully you have your account with Amazon set up and you are ready to go. I would recommend you to start with retail arbitrage because I personally believe that retail arbitrage is the easiest way to start your online Amazon business. I personally started with retail arbitrage, and I can assure you that you can earn a lot of money with retail arbitrage alone. One of the benefits of retail arbitrage is that you have less competition because more sellers go online to find products, but less of them go physically into retail stores. In addition to that, you can have special deals just for your area, and you can find some gems in your own local retail stores. Another benefit of retail arbitrage is that you can combine it with your regular shopping. So, for example, if you go to buy some clothes, or if you go to buy a present for a child, or if you go to do your regular grocery shopping, then you can combine that process with retail arbitrage. And it is a great feeling when you can find something to resell on Amazon, at the same time buying something for yourself and covering some expenses which you are spending on yourself. Also, I would advise you to make a routine or habit from retail arbitrage and allocate certain days and certain time slots for doing retail arbitrage. For example, if you have a full-time job, you can allocate the same couple of hours every Saturday to go into your local stores and buy products which you can resell on Amazon. You can also allocate 1 hour or a couple of hours after work on certain days, so you can also go into your local stores and buy products which you can then resell for a profit. In the next videos, I'm going to show you how you can scan products in retail stores, but what I want you to do now is to plan a time slot this week when you are going to go to a store or several stores and when you are going to do retail arbitrage. The more you do it, the more addictive it is going to become for you. I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.